In this video, I'm going to be discussing the top 2 AI-based penny stocks in the entire market that you have to watch for tomorrow and for the rest of the week. So why am I doing this? It's actually pretty obvious because Nvidia is reporting earnings tomorrow and after hours. This is coming right after the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting, so the market's going to be extremely volatile, especially later in the day and in after hours. So Nvidia really has the power to influence the entire market, how it's going to move every time they report earnings. In the last few quarters, they have, beat expectations, and a lot of people do think they will do the same with this quarter. Nvidia is almost a $2 trillion company, so basically has the influence over the entire AI sector and any related sector. So keep in mind, if they do miss their targets or anything does go bad with earnings, the entire market will, be in a bearish sentiment. And the AI sector and any related sector will dip as well. So first stock I want to talk about is SOUN, SoundHound Inc. I actually call this one for another 100% gainer, guys. So make sure you like the video because I am showing you some really good plays here. 3rd of January on Stock Twits, I told you guys a swing trade idea, said adding shares here at $2 for a swing. This one more than doubled and could have a very big run tomorrow if Nvidia earnings are good and nothing goes wrong with that. Why did this one even go up from $2 to $4 pretty much in a day? Had record volume for the time, well over 100 million, almost probably 200 million plus in volume. So they had a 13G filing come out, and basically Nvidia reported a 1.73 million share stake in Soun, and obviously BlackRock and Vanguard have a very big stake as well, and they also reported in that filing that they upped their position in their share count. So BlackRock reports 5.6% passive stake in SoundHound AI, and Vanguard, obviously, they hold this as well, and it looks like they increased their position. There's a lot of institutionals and, big game players that are actually holding SoundHound AI, and, there's a reason they're doing this. So basically, their technology is voice AI and a lot of integration into the fast food in restaurants and fast food places. Basically, they can replace workers and save companies like restaurants a lot of time by using their AI applications and their AI integrations and technology. And their website, they're partnered with Hyundai, Snapchat, Pandora, Qualcomm, and all of these other big names. Samsung, Krispy Kreme. There's just the list goes on. There's just so many of these. Motorola, Oracle, White Castle, Vizio, LG, just, they have a lot of brands that choose SoundHound AI. A lot of people are saying this is like buying Amazon, back, when Amazon was just, $20 a share or something like that, or back when it had an IPO. And am I saying that right now? No, but there is a lot of opportunity for SoundHound AI, okay? Basically, they have voice AI solutions for your industry. So, they could, just one big partnership can, have thousands upon thousands of locations that uses their software. Ever since that 13G filing came out, showing that Nvidia had a very big stake in the company. This is new. They haven't had a stake in it before until that filing came out. So we knew they had a very big stake in this company that really caught a lot of attention, increased the volume. So, tomorrow this one could easily spike to $5 to $6 if Nvidia does surge up, and a lot of AI stocks will follow. Restaurant, phone answering and ordering. And basically this is the future of drive-throughs. They could be at the forefront of every, drive-through in the entire world at some point. It just depends if they can dominate their sector. I think there's a company named PRST or something like that is doing the same thing, but obviously their share price and stock price is not getting the attention that SOUN is. So that's something to look at right there. They have all kind of integrations with AI with different languages and just a lot of speech recognitions, just voice AI technology and much more. So this is definitely probably the best stock to watch for this week. Back in the, in December, just ending the year, SoundHound acquired SINQ3 for a total consideration of $25 million. And basically, they acquired this company to expand their AI customer service and solutions to create the largest voice AI provider for restaurants. This merger will create a new AI market leader with over 10,000 restaurant locations and best-in-class voice AI solutions. So this was a very big PR just 2 months ago or something like that, just over 2 months ago. It looks like with this acquisition, this gives them over 10,000 signed locations, and they have over 100,000 restaurant locations in the combined pipeline. So that's very big right there. Over 90,000 more restaurant locations in their immediate or their combined pipeline with this merger and everything like that. SINQ3 will add large brands spanning drive-through, fast casual segments, and convenience stores to SoundHound's fast-growing customer base, which is bringing the total as of right now to more than 25 national and multinational chains. So a month ago, SoundHound and Jersey Mike's introduces voice AI phone ordering. So like I said, all it takes is one big food chain to really change the dynamic for this entire company, one big partnership. And they already have a lot of different contracts with many companies. So I'm expecting more partnerships and catalysts and more locations announced very soon or at some point. So that could really spike the price up. But really right now, it's going to be hit or miss tomorrow with Nvidia earnings. Like I said, if Nvidia spikes up, this one's going with it, or it's just going to dip down. Second I want to talk about is Iveda Solutions, ticker IVDA. This is one, if you are one of my old subscribers, we have swung trade this one a lot in the past. We made a lot of money. We got in at 60 cents, rode it all the way to $3, and it dipped all the way back down to 50 or 60 cents, all the way down to 56 cents, and went all the way up, pretty much almost doubled in the last month or something like that, trading at 95 cents right now. If they do break $1 plus, I could see this one moving up even further, or like I said, will move up or down tomorrow depending on the catalyst that I'm talking about. He's doing a lot of different things. They are basically developing smart cities all over the world. Iveda expands smart city footprint across Egypt, opens a new office, and shows their strategic demonstration. So 6 months after partnering with the Arab Organization for Industrialization, Iveda solidifies leadership in 5G, AI, and sustainable technologies throughout the region. They have a lot of drone technology. Also, they are in the healthcare sector, but they say Iveda, the global solution for cloud-based AI, today announced the opening of a new office in Egypt as part of the organization's work with the Arab Organization. Like I just talked about, and something very big right here I want you to see. Iveda's smart city innovations and AI offerings on display include the Utilus smart pole with an average price of $35,000 per pole, and city deployments are anticipated to range from 100 to 1,000 units. So that's either a $3.5 million contract up to $35 million. So, they've been pretty silent for a very long time, but lately they've been announcing some PRs. So depending on the size of the coverage, they can get up to $35 million just for their smart poles, and they have a lot of different smart city technology. Another big catalyst, Iveda is trading at 94 cents as of right now, 93 cents. As of right now, if they do close above $1 for 10 consecutive trading days, they will regain compliance with the NASDAQ organically, which is a very big catalyst, and this one should push up even more just based off that alone. It looks like they demonstrated their technology in the AOI government facility, which is in Egypt. Very big because Iveda and AOI partnered in August of 2023 to support and scale smart city deployments or developments across Egypt and the wider EMEA region through the development of 13 smart cities in support of the Egyptian government's plans to introduce 38 new smart cities across the country by 2050. So it says these two entities are marrying Iveda's global IoT and AI technology and application expertise with AOI's regional demand for innovation, equipping Egypt's new administrative capital with the 5th generation smart city technology needed to make this goal a reality. So it says Egypt's AI market is projected to reach 600 million with an anticipated CAGR growth rate of 20% almost, resulting in a market volume of 2 billion by 2030. So it looks like Iveda has a very big partnership with and connection with Egypt's government in this area. And there are a lot of catalysts that could come from this deal, and they could expand it, looks like. So that's very big. And then just 7 days ago, Iveda Philippines targeting $5 million in smart city advancements. So they're all over the world, have a lot of big PRs coming out right now. They're set to achieve $5 million in executed contracts over the next 12 months, declaring 2024 its banner year. So they're saying 2024 is going to be a very big year for Iveda, and it looks like they are off to a good start. It looks like to accomplish its JV sales target of $5 million for 2024, Iveda Philippines is on a mission to collaborate with 100 government units across the country as the region works to radically modernize its key infrastructure, including the country's airports, streets, and sidewalks, leveraging Iveda AI, their technology. So their technology also adds intelligence to existing video surveillance cameras. So basically improving public safety, traffic intelligence, and overall effectiveness of current infrastructure without overhauling previously installed functioning equipment. So something with their technology is they can actually use outdated cameras and add, license plate recognition and a lot of other stuff like that, and basically make these cameras more, basically innovate these cameras that already exist, which is very big. See, all this comes down to with these two plays right here is if Nvidia earnings are good, and will this AI hype continue? Right now, I think Iveda has around 1 month to file for another extension, which would give them another 180 days if they do this to get the minimum bid price to $1 plus organically without doing a reverse split. But it looks like they're very close to doing this already. So as long as they do that, before that happens, before that deadline, they won't even have to file for an extension. It looks like it just depends on tomorrow. But either way, these are two of the hottest penny stocks that are AI based that you should definitely watch tomorrow and the rest of the week. Let me know in the comments what you think about these plays and any other AI plays or other stocks you're watching right now. And